guys, welcome back to Cassidy. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, give me a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to be doing an experiment with vinegar and baking soda. If you didn't see my last video with Coke and Mentos, we found out that, that Coke and Mentos exploding was a myth. So we're going to open some of this vinegar. Smells bad, guys. I wish you guys could smell this. It smells horrible. So we're gonna pour it in here. Just like that. Guys, look at it. It has steam. Let's kind of pour some more over here.
So it has a chemical reaction.
Yes, it does. It's kind of like the Coke.
Right.
And we're going to try to see what. Let's touch it. Oh, guys, I think it feels like in a baby diaper.
How you know what the inside of a baby diaper feel like?
I don't know. I used to have some. All of us used to be babies. Well, let's wait for this to all clear out. But that was a pretty good reaction.
Pour some more.
Pour some more? All right, we're gonna put some more, guys. Kind of feels weird, but we're gonna pour some more. Pour. Guys, look at it. Let's pour some more. More. Gonna pour. Guys, we're gonna pour a little bit. Guys, that was a good reaction. Whoa. Guys, I wish you could see this smoke. Can you guys see all that smoke coming from it? Oh my God. Guys, I wish you guys could feel it. It feels like sand. This literally feels like sand. Like wet sand. And it just, let me roll up my sleeves with my on wet fingers. This one is on wet. And yeah, let's feel it. Oh, guys, look at that. That looks like white sand or snow. I don't know. It just looks weird. Ew, guys.
All right, so what did you learn from both the experiments?
Both the experiments, we learned that the Coca-Cola Mentos exploding was a myth. And we learned that this vinegar and baking soda makes this a chemical reaction like this. And it feels like the inside of a baby diaper. Yeah, this is just